Good morning, friends and family. This is Cheryl again. This morning I'm sitting at a McDonald's. I took my car to get checked out and to get a clutch put on my fan blade behind the radiator. I think that's what it is. So I'm sitting here and I am spending time wasting time. I decided to just spend some time in the neighborhood. I walked to a local McDonald's and I'm having coffee right now. And when I leave here, I'll go to a grocery store and pick up some celery and maybe go to the library. I don't know. I may do some shopping. The unfortunate thing is that they told me that my car will not be ready until the end of the day, and I had it there about 8:15. He said it was an extensive process because it had to have some electrical wiring as well as the actual physical replacement of the clutch. So that's what's going on this morning. I do have an idea of starting a live, doing another live very soon. By the time you get this video, I may have already completed my second live, but I may want to try to put a schedule to it, maybe do it once a month. So, I'm always prepared for another trip. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully, I'll have all of my ducks in a row so that all I have to do is gas up, check my fluids, and get on the road. I love going to the aquarium, so I may go to the aquarium. That is my happy place. So I'm going to go alone next time, and I'm going to go to meditate, to be around nature. And so that's what the plan is. It's pretty quiet this morning in the McDonald's. I had coffee. I did not want anything else because I just don't, my stomach is not settled. Somebody's getting the iced coffee this morning. My stomach is not necessarily settled. It's not upset, but it's not settled. And my blood sugar is elevated because of what I ate yesterday. And so I am a little bit discouraged because I have not been good to myself, and I need to do a better job of watching my intake. So I will work on that. This is a nice place to come to just sit in the mornings, and most people are using the drive-through because they're on their way to work or have been through already. I am walking also because I need the exercise, and hopefully the blood sugar will decrease. I did exercise yesterday as well. I got on my cutie and I rode it for a little while, and I also did some aerobics. So I am making an effort, and right now I'm not really encouraged by the effort that I'm making, but it is going in the right direction. And so pray for me that things get better, that I'm able to exercise more self-control and dedication, and continue to move in the right direction. I'm moving in the right direction. It's just that I'm not moving fast enough in the right direction. I have an appointment for my checkup coming up pretty soon, and they're going to check my A1C, and I'm determined that my A1C better be down because I have been doing really good overall as far as my eating habits and keeping my blood sugar under control. I guess this is a struggle of the average person who has been diagnosed with diabetes. Notice I didn't say I'm a diabetic. I said a person who has been diagnosed with diabetes. I do not accept it. I reject it. I denounce it. I rebuke it in Jesus' name. Yes, sir. That's right. Well, I'm sitting here. This is a cute little place. I like the benches. See the stripes. Anything with stripes and polka dots, they speak to me. So that's what the plan is this morning. I also plan on going to the library because I'm taking increments to get home. I walk a little bit and I go and I take care of a little business. Like I walked from the mechanic shop to the McDonald's, and then I will walk from the McDonald's to the grocery store, or maybe another store like maybe the dollar store or somewhere. And then after spending time there, then I think I will go to the local library. And I may even read a book, or I may get on the internet. I don't know. I may edit. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But that's the plan this morning. And probably after lunch, I may even walk to a restaurant for lunch. Sorry, that was my thumb. You know, I have to get my thumb in my videos. It wouldn't be right if I didn't have Mr. Thummy in my videos. I'm not a professional, so don't expect professional results. Okay. All right. I always try to get a laugh in. You know, laughter is good for your soul. Laugh at yourself. Laugh at your surroundings. It releases endorphins in your system. I'll say that again. It releases endorphins in your system, and it helps you to just be happy. Okay. When I get tired of walking and moving around, I know I'll be too far to walk straight to the mechanic shop. I will call someone to pick me up. I'll probably call Johnny to pick me up, depending on where he is. Or I may call Mom to pick me up. Somebody's had an iced coffee this morning. I don't do iced coffee. I need something hot. So I'm drinking a decaf coffee. But I will get somebody to pick me up, and then when I get my car, is this Friday? This is Friday. This week has flown by. I have a very busy schedule tomorrow. So I plan on doing a video. I want to go to Planet Fitness. The church is having, I forgot, one of my friends is having a brunch. That's at 11. Then the church is having something that's called Gospel Under the Stars. And this is something that our church has done for many, many years. and it is an outreach for the community where gospel groups and different churches are invited to send representatives to sing to the glory of God. And we sit outside under the stars. There's a bleacher, there's a platform. There have been bleachers in the past, but this city wants to charge $250 just to move the bleachers from the ballpark 2 blocks. So this is one of these things where we just say, you know what, bring your own chair. The church has some chairs that we're going to put out, but we don't have bleachers. But that is what the plan is. We're selling food because it is also a fundraiser for our choir and our music ministry. Um, Everybody's invited. It is just one of those things where we fellowship and love on each other and support each other as we praise the Lord. So that's the plan for Saturday. Then of course Sunday, regular service, Sunday school, regular service. Sunday school at 9:30. Regular service is at 11 o'clock. And so we're excited. Everybody's excited about it. I'm responsible for doing some things as well. Um, so I look forward to that. When I go to my next stop, I'll give you a view of what I'm doing and what my day's like. I have to keep my car in tip-top shape because I don't want to have to call AAA in another state. I don't want to have to call AAA at all. I don't want to have to walk, or I don't want to have to be sitting on the side of the road. Um, I'm blessed. I don't want to have any engine or mechanical problems. So that's the plan for today, and I'll keep you posted. Okay. I decided to forego the grocery store and I headed to the library. So I'm in front of the library. It opens in about 10 minutes. And I'm going to go in. I don't think I'm going to get on the internet, but I think I might just, I don't know, just soak in the ambience. Soak in the books, osmosis. Okay, I've spent quite a bit of time at the library, and so I'm taking a walk. I decided not to go to the grocery store, but to just take my walk on, right, go a little further, maybe do a little shopping. Okay. Oh, look at the beautiful fall foliage. It's starting to turn. I don't know what kind of tree this is, but it really is pretty. Fall is on the way. Okay. The vehicle has been repaired. I did spend a lot of time out. It was very relaxing and very enjoyable. But now I have my vehicle, and it costs about the amount of a car payment. So it's like I've paid 2 car payments in a row. So if I have to spend that 2 more months in a row, then like I said earlier, it's time for maybe a change, which I hate to think about that with BB because she and I have been together for so many years and been through so much. So I'm going to start the car. The mechanic said that it may be a little loud the first few times I started because it has to, I don't know, be broken in maybe. I don't know if that's the right word or not, but let's see what it sounds like. Hear that revving? Pocket thinks she's supposed to go get in the car because the car is off. No Pocket. No Pocket. We're not going anywhere. So it's revving down, and I want to see what it looks like. Let's go see what it looks like. She's the dirty girl. I don't know if you can see the fan, but I had to have a new fan belt. I had to have a new radiator and hoses. And when I had the radiator put on, then I had to go back, and the fan was wobbling a little bit. And if you can see now, the fan is not wobbling. It's running very smoothly. And so I'm satisfied with that. I won't complain. We're going to let the heat go. All drivers need to know how to check their fluids, check the oil, the transmission fluid, the brake fluid, the water level, and do not ever open the radiator while the car is hot. But my dad taught me that a long time ago. So that's it for now. I just wanted to give you an update. I'm satisfied with the work that this particular mechanic does, this shop. I did have a mechanic before, but who was fantastic as well. But he got a job in another city, and he's an instructor. So I'm proud for him, but I had to find someone that I could get to work on my vehicle whenever I needed it, especially in between my excursions. But that's it for now. And thank you for hanging out with me. I'm always prepared for another trip, in which I am now. And so, you hear my birds. What is it with the bird talk? These birds are just really, I guess they're singing. They're singing. And so I'm going to let you go for now. Be blessed. Know that you're loved more than you think. And I will talk to you again very soon. All right? Much love to you.